Hello everyone and welcome to this course Windows Server 2019 New Features Explained. My name is Christian Kalinescu and I'll be your instructor for this course, and in this video we are going to have an introduction of what we're going to see in this particular course. Now, 3 more years pass and Microsoft gets around to releasing yet another version of Windows Server. In this case, Windows Server 2019. This being Windows Server's 12th major release, you might guess, and you'd be absolutely right, that even the major releases these days are mostly a continuation of what's been built over this operating system's now decades of service. You could very obviously just read the what's new in Windows Server 2019 documents that you'll find at the other end of a Google or a Bing search on the web. And actually, I'd kind of encourage you to do just that. But what I'd like to do here over the next 30, 45 minutes or so is go a step further and bring some context to the changes to the changes that are being made, to offer some insight on which of them you're likely to use versus the ones that you would just simply ignore, at least for a while. And again, help you more deeply understand why these changes now exist in this new version of Windows. Now, a bit of explanation about what you're about to experience here. What you'll find here is by no means a click-by-click walkthrough. In fact, you won't even see a copy of Windows Server 2019 itself in this course that follows. Those deeper level demonstration I'll leave for the forthcoming courses that I'll do here on Udemy in the upcoming months. In fact, the first one that I'll do will be called Installing, Administering, and Remotely Administering Windows Server 2019, which will include high-level demonstrations. Uh, okay, you're also not going to see much in the way of flashy or exciting graphics like what you see here on the screen. Yes, I've got a few PowerPoint slides that are mostly there to just keep us anchored to the storyline. But rather than show you things, I'd like to just take a few minutes here and just sit back and have a quick conversation about what's new and what's changed for the IT professional here in Windows Server 2019. Now, here for this conversation, I've divided out this different features, the new capabilities, into the same kinds of subcategories that Microsoft provides in its own documentation for what's new in Windows Server 2019. I'll start first by taking a look at some of the additions and capabilities. So mapping what you can do based of which of the Windows version you end up purchasing. And then from there, I want to step through each of these 4 major categories that Microsoft suggests are how they've divided up all the new capabilities they've added to Windows Server 2019. These are your hybrid Azure features, those that relate to virtualization, cloud computing, and hybrid cloud computing. Those that relate here to our hyper-converged infrastructure improvements, a few new security capabilities, or in some cases, the extension of existing ones there into the Windows Server space. And then a short list there of application platform updates. If you are developing code, which we IT professionals tend not to do, but for those that are supporting those developed code, what's new in terms of the application platform updates here with this new operating system version? So I'll see you in the next video.